Welcome back, my champion. Today we're having an expression on the board. 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 1. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to look for the value of this expression. Okay, here we go. 3 minus 1 is 2 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 is simply equals to 4. So the final answer for this expression is 4. This is what we have. Okay, this is what many people are going to do, but I want to tell you that this method is completely wrong. So we're going to erase this and we're going to follow the good method. In mathematics, that's what we call Pemdas. Let me write it here before I explain later. Pemdas, okay, let me explain. If you're having an expression like this, containing parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, the first operation you have to do in the expression is what is inside the parentheses. Then you follow next with the exponent. Then you move to the multiplication or the division, moving from left to right. And finally, you move to the addition or subtraction, moving also from left to right. So now we know this. In our expression, we're having parentheses, we're having multiplication, and we're having subtraction. So according to this order, we have to start by looking for what is inside the parentheses. Then after, we move to the multiplication before doing the subtraction. So now we know this, we're going to do the correction. So as we said, we start by looking for this value inside the parentheses. 3 minus 1, this is equals to 2. Our new expression becomes 3 minus 1 multiplied by 2. I hope you guys know we can replace this parenthesis here by multiplication. Okay, at this level, we're having multiplication and subtraction. And according to Pemdas, one more time, we have to start by the multiplication before doing this subtraction here. So we follow by saying this. 1 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2. So our new expression becomes 3 minus 2. At this level, we have just one operation, one final operation to do so that we can obtain the final value. So what's the value of 3 minus 2? This is simply equals to 1. So the correct answer for this expression is 1. Always remember to follow Pemdas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it is the case, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.